Christmas is the time of year.
I'm here in the kitchen making Christmas dinner. I'm fixing up my sorrel and all of that. And I just thought I'd come on and say hello to everyone and happy Christmas. Um, Busy as I be, making, and I hope you're making your Christmas dinner or somebody is cooking for you. Just want to say a very, very big thank you to all of you for sticking with me over the years and commenting and subscribing to my channel. If you're a new subscriber, I appreciate you very much. I noticed I just got like 50 new subscribers. Cannot say how much I thank you. I hope that if there's a question you have or a question about anything, this is me making my sorry here while I'm in the kitchen doing other things. I'm cooking Christmas dinner and I'm fixing the sorrel. I'm sure you know how to make sorrel, but this is just like a background to just for me to come on and thank you for sticking with me and supporting my channel. I've been away for a month or two, but I'm still here. So keep watching and I'll show you what else I've been up to for the past few weeks.
That's what I want to hear. It's truly amazing.
These pictures will show you how busy I've been making, packing, and shipping out cakes for the past 3 weeks. People always wait till the last minute to order. So they order cakes and I ship them out. Fill them with wine and rum and, fruit. So that's what I've been up to. I made all kinds, different sizes, and some needed icing, some didn't. And, I also made greater cake and, all the nice things you need for Christmas.
I tell you, it's truly amazing. That spirit of Christmas. Let me hear you. Why can't it remain? Why can't it remain? All through the year. All through the year. Each day the same. Each day the same. And that's what I want to hear. Listen to me. It's truly amazing. That spirit of Christmas. Oh, it's truly amazing. That spirit of Christmas. Ain't it so? It's truly amazing. Yeah. That spirit of Christmas.